David, where you at? Where'd you go? Yeah, I'm in a hole. You're on top of it? Come down in it with me. Silly goose. Come this way, come look. Do you want to? Oh, come down here.
Oh, my ankle.
Careful.
You're gonna carry me down. Video, huh?
Curiosity killed the cat. Let's go check it out. Because we're not cats.
Yeah, take somewhere. Leave your hand already.
Woo. Oh, steps. This is pretty cool. Whoa. What is this? What is this used for?
Where a poop goes.
What? No.
Yeah.
It wouldn't be so welcoming looking if it was well.
It doesn't look very welcoming.
Whatever.
Looks like everybody else stood up on top of that hole and peed down. Maybe some people took some crap.
Listen at it.
Okay.
Oh. This is kind of murky looking. There's water all down there. Kind of icky. It reminds me of like some of it off the Goonies. Okay. Adventure over.